Any new information changes our brain, and any new skill sharpens it. And this is not just me saying it. Check up on all the research done on our human brain. Hey guys, welcome back to Vedic Math Vantage, and I am Tanmay, here to teach you about Vedic math. Today we'll be learning about moving multiplier, which is a continuation to last week's method, vertically and crosswise multiplication. Let's jump right in.
Today's topic is moving multiplier, and this technique can be used when we are multiplying numbers of different digits. Last class we learned vertically and crosswise multiplication, where the numbers had to be of equal number of digits. But today we'll be learning moving multiplier, which can be used for two numbers with different number of digits. Since we covered the conventional method last time, without further ado, let's begin with the Vedic math method directly. Take two numbers, 5, 32 and 61. Just like last time, we first begin with a vertical multiplication. So that would mean 2 into 1, of course from the rightmost digit. So 2 into 1 gives a 2, no carry. Next we move to crosswise. So 3 into 1 plus 6 into 2, 12 plus 3 is 15. 5 with a carry of 1. Now what we do, this is the most crucial step, we move the multiplier, hence the name moving multiplier. So in this case, 6 and 1 would be moved one space to the left. This is just for show. I will tell you how to do it when you're actually writing in paper. So 5 into 1 plus 6 into 3, 18 plus 5 plus 1. So 24, 4 with our carry as 2, and if you didn't notice, we just did another crosswise multiplication. And finally, we finish up with a vertical multiplication of the leftmost digits. So 5 into 6 would give 30, plus 2 would be 32. And here is our final answer. Let me show you one more example. Let's take a bigger number this time. So any random numbers, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And let's just take 6, 0, 4. So to multiply. Now one thing, there are two ways of looking at this when you're writing in paper. Of course, you can't erase and rewrite every single time. So what people normally do is that they imagine the digits to move towards the left. So in this case, although the digits may remain in here, you can imagine the digits to be in the center and do the calculation that way. So in that case, you would multiply 4 with 4, 2 with 2 and 3 with 0 for the three-way crosswise. I will get to that, but that's how it goes. But I find this a little difficult. So what I normally do, since multiplication is normally in the rough column, it wouldn't matter how you present it. So I rewrite the numbers below in this form. This is just a simple trick that I use. It may or may not be helpful. So I write it in this form so that I wouldn't have to imagine anything which would make it difficult to be accurate. Neither would I have to erase. So let's start. First vertical. So 1 into 4 would give us a 4. Next crosswise. So 2 into 4 plus 1 into 0, so 8. Then 3 into 4, 1 into 6 and 2 into 0 for our three-way crosswise. So 12 plus 6 plus 0, that would give us an 18. So 8 with our carry of 1. Now what we do? We strike out since we finished the three-way crosswise. At least that's what I do, which makes it easier for me to identify what to multiply. So again, now we go back to three-way crosswise. 4 into 4, 16, plus 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 16, 28, plus 3 into 0, that is 0, 28 plus 0, plus 1, which is our carry, so 29, 9, and our next carry is 2. Cancel out the previous one so as to not get confused. And now once again, we do not go back to 2 across or right over here, since we can move back one step once again. So we terminate this here and we multiply over here. So once again, three-way crosswise. So 5, 4, that will become 20 plus 3 times 8, 18. So 20 plus 18, 38, plus 2 to give us 40. So 0 with our 4 as a carry. And here now you can move back to regular cross because you can no longer move the digits further leftward. So we move on to 2 cross. 5 times 0 plus 6 times 4 plus 4. So 24 plus 0 plus 4, that gives us 28. 8. We cancel out previous carry and 2 is our present carry. 5 into 6 is 30 plus a 2 would give us our final answer, which would be 32,809,884. I hope you got the pattern that we're following, but in case you didn't, let me just explain. So we start with the first digit, then we move to crosswise. Then if your multiplier, meaning the second digit, is a 2-digit number, you move the crosswise 1 digit left and do it again. And then you move it once more and do it again. Of course, until you reach the last digit. If you reach your last digit right here, then you terminate the process with a you terminate the process with a vertical. But if you have further digits to the left, then you keep moving until you're done. But if you have a 3-digit multiplier, you do the 3-way cross. Then similarly, you move it to the left until you reach the last digit, after which you go back to a 2-way cross and end it with a 1-way cross. And this same pattern can be applied to 4, 5, 6 or n number of digits as much as you would like to do. So this is a very helpful method.
So guys, that was the moving multiplier method. I hope you found it interesting. And to brush up your concepts, I suggest you watch the previous video of vertically and crosswise multiplication. Remember, Vedic math is not just for students. It's for anybody who wants to make their brain faster and sharper. So if you're interested, join me next time on Vedic Mathematics. See you there.